PlantMate's 3.3V Capacitive Soil Moisture Sensor helps reduce corrosion. Its 150-centimeter cable has micro USB connectors and can be cut for direct wiring. Wire VCC and a ref to 3.3 volts, ground to ground, and D+ with D- to a 0. Leave ID open. The display uses a 4 for SD and a 5 for SCL. Use only 3.3 volts. Never apply 5 volts or connect to USB power. The display shows a raw reading, relative moisture, status, and a live bar. In dry air, this sensor reads near 824. For a wet reference, lower the entire blue blade into clean water, keeping the molded cable hood and all connections dry. The reading falls to about 413. Wipe the probe dry, then insert it deeply inside the pot near the edge, with the molded top above the soil. Keep its depth and position consistent. The analog signal updates the display and works with 3.3-volt boards, including ESP32 and Raspberry Pi Pico. Download the code, Calibrate, and start growing.